What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching lots of very satisfying instant karma moments. So without any further ado now, sit back, relax and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get started. I already like where this one is going. Power! Ooh, just listen to that mighty V8. It sounds amazing. Ah, he was probably pulled over for not going fast enough, because that's an offense in a car like that. Why is everybody so slow? Why is everybody doing the speed? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do the speed limit too. And obviously that's because I'm a law-abiding citizen, not because the 5-0 is there. Obviously. Whoa! That was a love tap. And also that's an instant 3 stars right there. Pull over immediately or you will lose your license. That's funny, officer. You saw what I did and you still think I have a license. Anyways, let's see here. Around and around we go. Bro found a loophole. There's no need to drive crazy all over the place. You just go slowly, nice and easy, and they will eventually give up. Look at them. This is a proof that we live in a GTA lobby. That is a real NPC activity right there. Let's see who's gonna run out of fuel first. Place your bets. Captain, he's good, but I almost got him. I was tailing him for 48 laps. He's about to crack. And also rumor has it that they're still there, going in circles.
So yummy, like unbelievably yummy.
Red light is not real and it doesn't exist. Red light is not real and it doesn't exist. But how about my blue and red ones? How do you like them? Does they look real?
Fully red light too, he just...
Oh, hello. This guy is trying to do a well-known 58-point turn. This is ridiculous. Someone should call the police on this guy. You're the police. What do you mean? Oh yeah, right. Pull over, sir. My mustache would like a word with you. Bro forgot he's the 5-0. It only took him 2 business days to respond. On to the next one. Come on now, change lanes. I'm not gonna pull you over, don't worry about it. You can go. Oh, thank you, officer. You're really nice. This means a lot. I'm in a hurry. Thank you again, officer. Psych! I'm not gonna pull you over, but my bodies will.
917.
And YPD is on another level. I'm only joking, of course, but it seemed like that's exactly what happened.
Jesus Christ.
Power! They are flying. Me and the boys were gonna drive normally. 15 minutes later, me and the boys. Power! We can never have too much power, you know? Because a wise man once said, speed is not a problem. Suddenly getting stationary, that's what gets you. And it is true. Oh, there goes the police finally. They're in a different time zone by now, but it is what it is, I guess. No, back off. If he or she was in a truck and did this, I would completely understand. Maybe you don't have experience, maybe you're new, it's a long truck and you do this, it's completely understandable. But when people do this stuff in a car, I can't help it but wonder how in the world did they manage to get a license. It's mind-blowing to me. Especially when there's a zero need to pull a stunt like this. 1 dingleberry ticket for you. And meanwhile in Clown City, what's up big guy, what's up? Look at him. This funny showman obviously forgot that somebody can actually decide to defend themselves. But he hasn't taken that into account, I guess. Oh, now you got him. Tell him, big boy. Power but on foot. Everybody gangsta till the 5-0 shows up.
Got him!
Let me guess, he's on the phone. Busted. But I'm not gonna be too harsh on him because they were waiting on a red light, which is of course still not okay, but if you're not completely disconnected from the world around you, then it's okay, I guess. Step aside, everybody, BMW is here.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm not sure what he did, but he surely did something because he's in a BMW. Of course. No need to go to the right, just stay where you are and pull over. I love this because that guy thinks he's better than anybody else. If there was an emergency, then I would say yeah, it's justified, but in this case I don't think so. He's just being a dingleberry, that's all. What is going on here? Whoa, that is very stupid. Dearie me. And there goes the 5-0. Go get him, boys, please, as soon as you can. I couldn't even joke about that one. But luckily there's this guy to make it all up for us. By pulling this amazing 900 IQ play. And by the way, why is that police vehicle looking like an ambulance? Please let me know. Maybe sheriff's car broke down and he had to borrow it from the hospital. Who knows? Who knows? Yes! This guy is really happy, and I'm not sure what happened, but I think, of course I wasn't paying attention, but I think that guy blew a red. I think that's the case. I like the happy beeps. Beep 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 beep. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ha! Another VIP lane user, imaginary VIP lane user, busted. Let's see here. I'm in a pursuit of a suspect. He's going way too fast and he just got a pole position. Correction, they got a pole position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this? A spawn point for the whole team? I have to watch that again later to count them all. I'm not sure how many of them got out of the car, but it's too many for sure. This guy took a little detour as well in a VIP lane. And he's now hoping the 5-0 didn't see him. But of course they did. Of course they did. Because they're not blind. Everybody saw that. Come on, buddy. Pull over. I understand people sometimes don't have patience, but really? You don't have to take it too far, if you know what I mean. No, no, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, you cheeky little sausage. And the 5-0 is like, don't worry, I got you, buddy. I'm joking and all, but I don't think that guy deserves a ticket. A warning would be enough. Because he corrected his mistake right away. And what are you doing, sir? This guy identifies as a roadblock or something, I don't know. What are you doing, bro? Oh, he's moving, so that's good. He's not gonna stay there forever. Oh, that's a cop. Worst pullover job ever. Definitely. He didn't have to block the whole lane to do that. He had plenty of space. But anyways, we are moving on. Oh, take it easy, golf. Oh, what is this? Golfception? They are everywhere. And this one probably blasted through the red. Jumping a red is one thing. And this is straight blasting through it. Like there's no tomorrow. And this guy is about to get disciplined by his dad. AKA Passat. On to the next one we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you know that look. Bro turned into alarm. Whoa. Meanwhile in Los Santos. Look at this. Power! This is crazy. Absolutely unbelievable. Bro's got 2 whole police departments on his tail. I wonder what he did. Probably he just said he doesn't like donuts. And they took that personally, of course. No, I'm speed, baby. And the cop is like, why are you running? Why are you running? Whoa, slow down a bit, big guy. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick, I'm sports lorry. And of course the police is very amused by that. You definitely don't see this every day. A truck being pulled over for using the whole speedometer. That is amazing, actually. I mean, it's not something you expect to see for sure. Whoa, I don't even know what to say about this one. Luckily he didn't crash into anybody. That was incredibly stupid. But anyways, on to the next one. My educated guess here would be that Mercedes accidentally or intentionally, I don't know, put liquid arrogance into his fuel tank. That's why he ran a red. And here goes another one. I only don't know what this guy filled his car with, but he's a dingleberry, that's for sure. Come on, 5-0. Give it some beans. Go get him. And there we go. There we go. They got him. Or should I say instant karma got him. There's literally no excuse for running a red. Especially on a busy intersection. That is like extra no-no, if you know what I mean. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did and you want to see more of this, please leave a comment, smack that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all. Stay awesome. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.